Well, hey there, welcome to another Two Wheeled Wednesdays. You know, winter officially started last week, and well, that means the days are starting to get longer. Here on the Oregon coast, it means that we're going to have a couple more months of dark, wet weather. And these might not be ideal cycling conditions, but they can be really nice on a different level. It can make for a reflective, beautiful ride if you're prepared for the elements. You know, if you're dressed right, if you're geared up right, it can actually be quite enjoyable. So today we're going to go for a ride, a rainy day ride. It's supposed to be pouring by the end of the day. Hopefully we'll miss the heavy stuff. But we're going to go for a rainy day ride up the Rogue River and just take it all in. Come on, let's ride. Well, that was a nice little spin. Might not have been as perfect as a sunny midsummer ride, but I hope you enjoyed it. It was very peaceful for me. All right, so that's it for this week. Thanks for joining me for another Two Wheeled Wednesdays. We've got a new year starting in a few days. For Two Wheeled Wednesdays, that means a whole new set of riding goals and another year of bicycle fun and adventure. I've already committed to several cycling and other outdoor events, and my goal is to do at least one organized something outdoor event, one a month, so 12 throughout the year. We'll see. Okay, that was it. It looks like we beat the rain, not by much. I got a few sprinkles, but not too bad. So remember, whatever the weather, whether it's sunny and warm or cold, dark and wet, life is still twice as good on two wheels. And we'll see you next week. We'll see you next year.